Lori with Team Gabriel, and today we're at our newest listing at 38 Aloha Drive in Enfield, Connecticut. You are not going to want to miss this prize-winning ranch. It is beautiful and impeccable condition. Come on in and take a look around. Some of the nice features I want to mention that there's hardwood floors throughout the whole home. In the living room, it has a nice bay window with crown molding and recessed lighting. This home has a beautiful updated kitchen. It's oak cabinets with crown molding. The lighting's been updated. You have a nice stone backsplash with some glass accents on it. Plus there's hardwood throughout here as well and ceiling fans. There's a wonderful family room. The family room offers cathedral ceilings, recessed lighting. They did crown molding in here, and it's wonderful that they light it up. It's got accent lighting, which I think is fabulous. There's a nice French door that leads to a large Trex deck. That is wonderful. And in the front, there's a covered porch. You can sit and wave to your neighbors as they walk on by. This yard is impeccable. It has nice green grass. They have a sprinkler system here, and they have dual water meters, so you don't get charged any sewer usage fee. That's a nice feature too, but you have the greenest grass in the neighborhood. The windows have all been replaced. They're in wonderful condition. You have a 30-year architectural roof with ridge venting. It's in excellent condition. The doors outside and in have been replaced. The hardware's been done. The bathrooms have both been remodeled. This house really has a lot to offer. There is a primary suite as well. You have a half bath and a walk-in closet. This is gas heat, central air, in a fabulous location. You're very close to 220, to all the restaurants and shopping, and you're also very close to the Massachusetts line. There's a large two-car garage with automatic garage door opener with a door to the backyard. So if you'd like to have a private showing on this gorgeous home, then give me a call at 860-926-5101 or send us an email at lori@teamgabriel.net. We look forward to hearing from you. You don't want to miss this one.